Hey everyone, you're welcome to Income Tree, and this is my Create 2.0 review. Create 2.0 is a product found on JvZoo, and it teaches you how to easily create quality content in 90 seconds for any niche. So let's get into the review here. If this is your first time here, this channel is all about affiliate marketing and starting and running an online business. I provide how-tos about making money methods and do product reviews so you can make informed buying decisions. Let's get started. Again, what is Create 2.0? It's kind of a weird name, but it's a beginner-friendly method of creating 100% unique content as we allow you to dominate any niche under 90 seconds. It is a JvZoo product, so you know it's safe. So who is the creator of Create 2.0? This application was created by JvZoo, who has gained a reputation for being a famous and talented software developer in the industry. He also specializes in digital marketing and has gained some achievements during quite many years he has been working on this field. Let's move on to the next part and you will realize it is the tool you can count on. So what are the key features of Create 2.0? There are quite a few features with this product. You will have flawless written content created for you at any time, and it will be completed within 90 seconds of your request. You'll be able to utilize the most powerful marketing strategy ever, which is content marketing, to attract traffic, increase sales, and increase profits. You'll be able to reach higher rankings by providing Google with exactly what it needs, which are high quality, consistent content. You do not have to be concerned about the quality of content provided by a writer whose first language is not English. Create more value for your target audience and increase the number of subscribers you have. It has an artificially intelligent system that can write a 300 to 1000 word article for you in 90 seconds. So how does Create 2.0 work? It's quite simple how this product works. You can get high quality content written for you in just 3 easy steps. For the first step, you have to start by logging into their web-based dashboard. Create 2.0 is an entirely web-based application. To put it in another way, it doesn't matter what kind of device you have, as long as you have an internet connection. Create 2.0 will be able to write your content for you. Secondly, let Create 2.0 know in which niche you want the content to be published. This is where the fun begins. That's when the magic happens. Basically, all you need to do is select any niche you're interested in researching or choose from their preloaded list of niches. Provide Create 2.0 with a list of topics that you would like Create 2.0 to cover in your article. Choose the file folder in which you want the articles to be saved. You can either come up with a keyword topic, or you can choose a specific subject to cover. Anything goes, or you can simply type in a niche without specifying any keywords. You can do it either way. The third step is to copy, edit, download, or share the document. So who is Create 2.0 intended for? Well, if you are an internet marketer, online or offline marketer, freelancer, product creator, video creator, affiliate marketer, business owner, these products will be perfect for you. Okay, now let me let you in on the pros and cons of this product. What are the pros? Create 2.0 is the easiest way to increase your Google ranking by maintaining consistent high quality content which Google wants. You get amazing content written for you in less than 90 seconds whenever you want. There will never be any need for you to spend thousands of dollars to have content written. You need not worry about the quality of content produced by writers who do not speak English as their first language. This service provides you with flawlessly written content within 90 seconds, which is ready for you in less than 1 minute. So what are the cons? Well, I think it boils down to preferences and what you actually want to use it for. But so far, I haven't come across any. Okay, now, the part you might want to hear. What is the cost of Create 2.0? Well, you can get Create 2.0 for $44 with an early bird discount if you buy the products through the link in the description. One limitation of this is that it will only create content in English. There are several upsells with this product, so you might want to choose the option that you believe will best suit your specific business needs. You have a 30-day money back guarantee in case you purchase and you don't like the product, but I highly doubt that will be the case. For a limited time, Create 2.0 will be available at a low one-time fee. Let's talk about the upsells. There is the Create 2.0 booster. Here's a quick overview of what you will find in the Create 2.0 booster. You will have access to 2 extremely powerful features. The first is gaining access to their multilingual content writer. Right here, you can choose from a selection of more than 12 of the world's most popular languages to have content created for you. These languages include Spanish, German, Polish, French, Brazilian Portuguese, Dutch, Italian, Japanese, Russian, and Chinese. Regardless of whether you speak the language, you'll still be able to provide content writing services that are superior to those provided by a human writer. And last but certainly not the least, you gain access to the Q&A editor, which gives you an excellent, exciting, and very powerful approach to writing about your niche's most demanding pain points, questions, and concerns. It will cost a $97 one-time payment. I hope that my honest opinions about Creaite 2.0 helps you in your purchasing decision. It is not just a simple decision to take out $44 one-time payment, but it is a profitable one that can lead to a sustainable business. Moreover, your investment is secured by a 30-day money-back guarantee that offers you a worry-free experience. I greatly appreciate you watching my Creaite 2.0 review. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.